everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Priscilla. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing an unboxing and I have it right here. I prepped the box. If you look at the tab right here, okay, it says Fashionphile. So inside this box is supposed to be a Louis Vuitton Saumur MM. Now this is a bag that I already had in the past. But actually I bought it vintage and it lasted about a week with me. I couldn't stand the smell. I took off the tags. I was so excited about wearing it that I didn't even notice that it had like a musty odor, and I was screwed. I couldn't return it because I had taken off the tags. So I went ahead and I tried everything. I tried everything from dryer wipes to like Tide to go to some candle stuff, and it would take off the smell for like a couple of days, but then after that like it would smell again to that nasty odor. So I ended up selling it. I ended up selling it on eBay, and I did tell the people that bought it that it smelled really bad, but they wanted it and so they kept it. So I'm so excited because I did buy this pre-loved. Obviously this is from Fashionphile, and this company is like the only ones that I trust when it comes to buying pre-loved, pretty much. If you guys know any other places like Fashionphile, or like I've heard that Yugi's Closet is really good, but I've never really tried it, let me know because I love buying pre-loved. The thing with buying pre-loved is you have to pretty much do your research and you have to be very patient and knowing what you want, looking for the bag, looking up prices and stuff like that. So I really love Fashionphile. Yeah, you guys are probably like, hurry up, just unbox it. But here it is. I already prepped the box, and so let's open it up. Okay, so inside, okay, inside we have the receipts and the Fashionphile receipts. We have the Fashionphile nail file, the thank you card. Well, you're welcome. Okay, and look at this. This is it looks like this is a Fashionphile bag calendar. How cool is this? I guess it's for the new year, right? So happy new year, by the way. That's really cute. It has a Gucci Marmont line, and let's see. Okay, has some Instagram post, one big family. Cool. All right. January, you have Celine. February, Saint Laurent. That's really cool. I'm definitely gonna put this in my little office and I'm gonna use the heck out of it. Nice, thank you, Fashionphile. Okay, I apologize for the lighting. The lighting is really bad right now in my area, so my bad, guys. I know it's like going in and out every time I like turn, so sorry. Okay, and here is the bag. Bam, it's right on the floor. Used is the new. Let's rip that apart. And then you can always resell them back to Fashionphile. They'll give me back 70% of the purchase price if I give it to them in 120 days. That is until May 10th. So I can enjoy the bag for a few months, and let's say I get tired of it, I can sell it back to them and they'll take it. So I think that's also pretty cool. That's a really good option. Of course, you're losing out on money if you opt to do that, but I mean, at the same time, if you've enjoyed the bag and you find that maybe it's not for you, that you don't enjoy it as much, maybe you don't reach for it as much, that could be a good option. Or you could just sell it on eBay for probably a better price. Okay, so let's look at this here. I love the way they package stuff on Fashionphile. Doesn't have the original dust bag, but that's okay. I'm more than okay with that. Okay, and this is a bag. This is a Louis Vuitton Saumur. Of course, if you remove the tag, you're gonna own the bag. And so I love this bag because it's supposed to be mimicked after saddlebag. So it's kind of like having like a 2-in-1. Watch. So if you open it right here, in the middle, it has one compartment right there. Let me take off this stuff right here just so I can show you. And then in the back, it has another compartment. let me just open this real quick, and there's the other compartment. So it has a compartment, and then it has another one inside. This one does smell good. It doesn't smell like the one that I bought, the vintage one. So yeah, if you're buying vintage, make sure that description, and make sure that it doesn't have a musty odor, because it's very hard, nearly impossible, I found. I just couldn't take it off. I could not take that off to save the life of me. Okay, and then that's that right there. Okay, so yeah, okay, and then it's mimicked. It has a little things, has these little things on the side right here where you can like just, if you need more space, you can undo these, and then they're meant to be like saddlebags. So I really like this. I've liked it for a really long time. The only reason why I didn't buy it new is because I was really scared of the color transfer, because I wear a lot of jeans and black clothing. I've just already kind of told myself that if I'm gonna get this bag, to one, be careful with it, or two, just let it be. I also heard that Loving My Bags has like something to take care of the color transfer, or to take it off, or something like that. So I'm gonna definitely look into that. But here she is, Louis Vuitton Saumur MM. I'm so excited about this one. My mom was telling me that this kind of looks like my Pochette Métis, and I think it does. I have it over here actually. So I have my Pochette Métis right here, okay? But they're just very different, I find. I really like the carefree, just like saddle crossbody look on this one. This is more like structured and pretty. So, but yeah, I'm really super excited about using this one. I just love the look of it. I like that like rugged look, and so I'm really excited about wearing this. I'm gonna go ahead and it looks like on. Okay, so here we go, and I am 1.5 for reference, so that's how the bag looks on me. I'm gonna wear a crossbody, of course. You can also wear it just on the side, but I like to wear it, or I'm gonna wear a crossbody. So here it is. So that's what it looks like, and that pretty much sums up my unboxing. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. If you are new to my channel, which you probably are, I would love for you to subscribe. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.